السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مرحبا بكم إلى قناتي. معكم أخوكم أبو جندل. Welcome you once again back to my channel. With you is your brother Abu Jandal. Today we shall continue with our grammar book, the النحو الواضح للمرحلة الابتدائية, and we shall be learning another very important topic, and that is الجملة الاسمية, the nominal sentence. Some of us in the past may have heard of the verbal sentence and also the nominal sentence, and will be thinking, how can I differentiate between the nominal sentence and also the verbal sentence? We all know nominal means noun, then verbal means verb. How does this apply to Arabic? Today we're going to learn this. Let's go. الجملة الاسمية, the nominal sentence. As usual, we have examples. What are they? Number one, we have ad-daru wasi'atun, the house is wide. Number two, we have al-jawu mu'tadilun, the temperature is temperate. The temperature is moderate. Number three, we have al-ghubaru tha'irun, the dust is swirling. The dust is swirling. Number four, we have ash-shari'u muzdahimun, the street is crowded. Number five, we have at-tariqu dayiqatun, the road is tight, the road is narrow. Number six, we have al-fa'ratu mukhtabi'atun, the rat is hidden or is hiding. Al-bahth, explanation of this topic, we have al-amthilatu sabiqa. All of the sentences above, the examples above, kulluha jumalun mufidatun, each of them or all of them are beneficial and complete sentences. Yes, of course they are. Ad-daru wasi'atun, the house, ad-daru wasi'atun, the house is wide. Of course, that's a complete sentence. وَكُلُّ وَاحِدَةٍ مِنْهَا مُرَكَّبَةٌ مِنْ اسْمَيْنِ, and each of them are composed or contain two nouns. أَوَّلُهُمَا مُبْتَدَى, the first of the nouns is mubtada, that is the subject noun, which we have learned previously. وَالثَّانِي خَبَرٌ, and the second of the two nouns we can find above is called the khabar, this predicate. وَلِأَنَّ كُلَّ جُمْلَةٍ مِنْ هَذِهِ الْجُمَلِ مَبْدُوءَةٌ بِاسْمٍ, because each of the sentences we can see above begin with a noun. Begin with what? A noun. تُسَمَّى جُمْلَةً ismiya. Because of this, it is called a nominal sentence. A noun, a sentence beginning with a noun is called jumlatun ismiya, a nominal sentence. So we can see all behind the word something nominal sentence, that it only means a sentence begins with a noun. From this, we can infer that a verbal sentence is a sentence that begins with a verb. Yes. Now we have al-qaida, the rule number 12. It says kullu jumlatin, in every sentence tatarakkabu min mubtada'in wa khabarin, that is made up of a mubtada, a subject noun, wa khabar, and a predicate, tusamma jumlatan ismiya, is called a jumlatun ismiya, a nominal sentence. So a nominal sentence is simply any sentence which contains a subject noun and also a predicate, that is a khabar, mubtada and khabar. We also have some exercises to better understand of this topic. Tamrin al-awwal, the first exercise says kawwin jumalan ismiyatan, form a nominal sentence biwadi akhbari al-mubtada'at al-atiya, by placing predicates to, by attaching predicates to the following mubtada, to the following what? Subject noun. All of the following words are subject nouns. They are requiring a khabar. Each of them require a khabar, that is the predicate, to form a nominal sentence. How we go? Yes. Number one, we have an-nakhlatu, which means the palm tree or the date palm. What can we say? An-nakhlatu aliyatun, the date palm or the palm tree is high. Number two, we have al-madrasatu, the school. Al-madrasatu qaribatun, the school is close. Number three, we have al-thawbu, the clothes. Al-thawbu nazifun, the clothes is clean. Next, we have al-hidha'u, the shoe. Al-hidha'u dayyikun, the shoe is narrow, is tight. Next, we have al-maridu, the sick. Al-maridu saqimun, the sick or the patient is weak. Next, we have ad-dawa'u, the medicine. We can say ad-dawa'u shafiyatun, the medicine is curing. MashaAllah. Then we have al-jumalu, which is which is the camel. We can say al-jamalu saburatun, that is, or al-jamalu saburun, sorry to say, al-jamalu saburun, the camel is patient. Next we have al-filu, that is the elephant. Al-filu ضخم. The elephant is fat, big. Then next we have الثعبان. We can say الثعبان سام. What is it called? The snake is venomous. It is poisonous. And next we have as-suratu. The picture, we can say as-suratu jamilatun. The picture is beautiful. And next we have al-hablu, which is the rope. We can say al-hablu matinun. The rope is strong. The back part, it says kawin khamsa jumalan ismiyatan. Form 5 nominal sentences biwadi'i mubtada'atin al-akhbar al-atiyah, by attaching mubtada'at, that is the noun, subject nouns, to the following predicates. All of these words are predicates. They are requiring, each of them are requiring a khabar, that is a mubtada, that is a subject noun. The first we have hulun, which is sweet. We can say as-sukaru hulun. The sugar is sweet, so as-sukaru is serving as the mubtada to the hulun, which is the khabar. Next we have murrun. Murrun, we can say al-handhalatu murrun. Al-handhalatu murrun. A handhala is a type of fruit that is very bitter. We can say it is what? Bitter. And al-handhala, some people call it the Abu Jahaz apple, or yes, Abu Jahaz apple, so or bitter apple. So bitter apple is bitter. Next we have mustadiratun, which is round. We can say al-qurratu mustadiratun. The ball is round, it circles. The next we have tawilun. What? Tawilun, which means what? Tall. What can we say? We can say ar-rajulu tawilun. The man is tall. Next we have muftarisun. We can say al-asadu muftarisun. The lion is predatory. Next we have khaifun, fearful. We can say al-waladu khaifun. The boy is fearful. And next we have mushriqatun. We can say ash-shamsu mushriqatun. The sun is rising. We can or shining. We can say muzlimatun. We can say muzlimatun, al-ghurfatu muzlimatun. The room is dark. And next we have jafun, which is dry. We can say al-ardu al-hawa'u jafun. The air is dry. And lastly we have baridun. We can say al-jawu baridun. The weather is cold. And next we have seri'un, which is fast. We can say al-hisanu seri'un. The horse is fast. And next we have jamilun, beautiful. We can say al-waladu jamilun. The boy is beautiful. MashaAllah. Moving to the next exercise, the instruction says كون من الكلمات الآتية جملا اسمية تتألف كل منها من مبتدأ وخبر. From the following words جملا اسمية, nominal sentences. From the following words, nominal sentences, which are made up of mubtada and khabar. The first we have athawbu. Athawbu, which is shirt. What can we say? We can say athawbu mumazzakun. The shirt is torn. Next we have al-maydanu, which is the field. We can say al-maydanu fasihun. We attach it to maidan. Fasihun. The field is wide, spacious. Next we have mogolakun, closed. We can say al-babu mogolakun. The door is closed. Next we have mushta'ilatun, which means blazing. We can say an-naru mushta'ilatun. The fire is blazing. And next we have dhabilatun, which means withering, drying. So we can say az-zahratu wa dhabilatun. The flower is drying up. Then next we have okay, we have done an-naru mahlujun. Now, which is win-win. So we can say al-qutnu. The cotton is mahlujun, is ginad. The cotton is what? Ginad. That's all for Tamrinu Thani. Moving on to Tamrinu Thalis, exercise number 3. The instruction says Kawin sita jumalin ismiyatin. Form 6 nominal sentences. Yakunu al-mubtada'u fi kulli jumlatayn marratan min al-insan. Making sure that the first two sentences you're going to make of these 6 sentences should be, the mubtada there should be the name of a person, وَمَرَّةً مِنَ الْحَيَوَانِ, and the second 2 should be names of animals, وَثَالِثَةً مِنَ النَّبَاتِ, and the last 2 sentences should be from plants. So what can we say? Beginning with name of a person, we can say Hamidun Jai'un. Hamid is hungry. Hamidun Jai'un. Hamid is hungry. Next we can say Al-Bintu qasiratun. The girl is short. So we can see each of these contain name of a person. Next we have the ones that contain name of animals. we can simply say al-asadu muftarisun, the lion is predatory, and we can say al-thalabu muftarisun, the fox is also muftarisun, that is predatory, it predates on other animals. Or let's change the word, we can say al-thalabu makirun, the fox is a plotter, the fox plots a lot. And lastly, for two sentences for the plants, first we can say athamaratu nadijatun, the fruit is ripe. And next we can say az-zahratu mufattahatun, the flower is what? Opened, is blossoming. MashaAllah. Tamrin al-Rabi, exercise number 4. The instruction says ميز الجمل الفعلية من الجمل الاسمية. Differentiate, indicates the jumal al-fi'liya, the verbal sentences from the nominal sentences. Differentiate the verbal sentences from the nominal sentences. Previously we had learned the verbal sentences, so here we have to differentiate between the nominal sentences and the verbal sentences. وأين المبتدأ والخبر والفعل والفاعل فيها, and indicate the mubtada, the subject noun, wal khabar, and also the predicates. Then also indicate the fa'il, the verb, and also the subject. We have 4 things because we know verbal sentences contain a verb and also a subject, while the nominal sentence contain a mubtada, which is subject noun, and also the predicate. So we have to do this. The first sentence we have here is al-ma'u ra'iqun, the water is pure, the water is clear. So this is what is this is a verbal sentence or nominal sentence? This is a nominal sentence because it contains 2 nouns. The first noun is the mubtada and the second is khabar. Al-ma'u is the mubtada and ra'iqun is the khabar. Number 2, we have yaskutul jidaru, the house is falling, the wall is falling. So this is surely is the verbal sentence jumlatun fi'liya, because yaskutu is what? Verb, and al-jidaru is the fa'il, the subject. So yaskutu is the fa'il and al-jidaru is the fa'il. To simplify this, you can form a table. The first column we have jumalun fi'liya, and the second jumalun ismiya, the nominal sentences. Then you now under them you now indicate each of the sentences you are going to place under them should indicate are they mubtada or khabar, fa'ilun or fa'ilun. Next we have al-bardu qarisun, the wind, the cold is severe. So we can say al-bardu qarisun, that is a jumlatun ismiya in nominal sentence, because al-bardu is ismun mubtada and qarisun is also ismun khabar. Number 4, we have yashtaddu al-harru fi sayf, the cold, the hotness becomes severe during the summer. So yashtaddu, this is a verb because it begins a sentence, and this surely is a verbal sentence. So yashtaddu is the verb and al-harru is the fa'il. Next we have jana al-fallahul qutna, the farmer harvested the cotton. So this is also a jumlatun fi'liya because it begins with a verb. So jana is the fa'ilun and al-fallahu is the fa'il. Next we have yajulu tajiru fil balad, the trader is roaming the city. So yajulu, that is a verb, fa'ilun, and at-tajiru is the fa'il. This is a jumlatun fi'liya. And next we have yusriju al-khadim al-hisana, the slave is plaiting or braiding the horse. So yusriju, this is also fa'ilun, jumlatun fi'liya. Then we have al-khadimu al-hisana. Then next we have az-zujaju maksurun, the bottle is broken. So az-zujaju, the bottle, maksurun, this is a jumalun ismiya. So az-zujaju is the mubtada and maksurun is the khabar. Next we have al-qittu jai'un, the cat is hungry. Al-qittu is the mubtada and jai'un is the khabar. So this is jumlatun ismiya. Next we have an-nawafidhu mufattahatun, the windows are open, and nawafidhu is the mubtada and mufattahatun is the khabar. Therefore this is jumlatun ismiya. Number 11 we have tazdahimu madinatul bisukan, the city is becoming crowded with the inhabitants. So tazdahimu, that is a fa'ilun, and al-madinatu, that is a fa'il. That is jumlatun fi'liya. And lastly, yanzilu al-mataru min as-sama, the rain is falling from the sky. So we see yanzilu, it is falling, that is verb, fi'lun, and al-mataru is the fa'ilun. Therefore this is jumlatun fi'liya. Moving to tamarinul khamis, exercise number 5. The instruction says how will al-jumal al-ismiya ila jumalin fi'liya. transform these following nominal sentences into verbal sentences. These are nominal sentences. Jumla ismiya. We have to change them to verbal sentences. Number one, we have al-waladu na'imun. The boy is sleeping. What can we say? We can say yanamu al-waladu. The boy is sleeping. So because yanamu now is the fa'ilun and al-waladu is the fa'il. Previously it was al-waladu na'imun. The boy is sleeping, which is al-waladu mubtada, and the na'imun was the khabar. But now yanamu al-waladu. The boy is sleeping. Jumlatun fa'iliyya. But we have al-bahru haijun. The sea is raging. So this is a jumlatun ismiya. To change it, we can say yahijul bahru. Number three, we have ash-shamsu mushriqatun. We can say tushriqu ash-shamsu. Number four, we have al-kitabu nafi'un. The book is beneficial. We can say yanfa'u al-kitabu. The book benefits. Number five, we have al-hujratu muzlimatun. The room is dark. We can say tazlimul or tuzlimul hujra. The room is dark. Al-mataru kathirun. The rain is plenty. We can say kathur al-mataru. MashaAllah. Tamrinu sadis, exercise number 6. The instruction says, Hawil jumal al-fi'liya al-atiya ila jumalin ismiya. Now we have verbal sentences. We should change them to nominal sentences. The first, we have da al-miftahu. The key is lost. We can say al-miftahu da'i'un. Number two, we have asra al-qitaru. The train fast. The train runs fast. We can say al-qitaru sari'un. The train is fast. Number three, we have zad al-nilu. Nile increased. We can say al-nilu za'idun. Number four, we have yuthmiru al-bustanu. The garden is fruitful. We can say al-bustanu muthmirun. Next, we have yugarridu ta'iru. The bird is singing. At-ta'iru mugarridun. Next, we have yudi'u al-misbahu. Al-misbahu mudi'un. The lamp is illuminating. Tamrinun fil insha, the last exercise, and it is on composition. The instruction says ajib anil as'ilatil atiya. Answer the following questions bijumalin tammatin with complete sentences. Wabayyin naw'a kulli jumlatin tujibu biha, and explain the category of the sentences you are going to use in answering these questions. So you have to answer the following questions and later explain whether you have used a nominal sentence in your answers or a verbal sentence. Number one, the question says, Ma shaklul burtaqala. What is the shape of the orange? I can say, Shaklul burtaqalati mustadiratun. The orange is round. You can see shaklu. This is jumlatun ismiya. Number two, Ma launuha. What is the color? What is this color? I can simply say launul burtaqala asfaru. The color of the orange is yellow. This is also a jumlatun ismiya. The next we see ana'imatun here am khashnatun. Is it soft or coarse? Is it smooth or coarse? I can simply say here na'imatun. It is soft. It is how do I put it? It is fresh and smooth. So we can see this is also jumlatun ismiya. Number four, we have hal akalta burtaqala. Have you eaten orange? I can simply say naam akaltu burtaqala. I ate an orange. What this means is this is also a jumlatun fa'iliyya, a verbal sentence. And next, kayfa wajadta ta'amaha. I can say wajadtu ta'amaha ladhithan. How do you find its taste? I can see I found the taste to be delicious. So this is also a jumlatun fa'iliyya because it begins with a verb. And lastly, become tashtaril burtaqala. With how much do you buy the orange? I can simply say ashtaril burtaqala bidirhamin. I buy orange with a dirham. So this is also a jumlatun fa'iliyya. With this, we come to the end of this topic. Make sure you revise and resolve all of these exercises to better your understanding. Do like, comment, and share with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, as we are going to be dropping updates on this playlist and all of our other playlists. Until we meet again, I say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.